Here's iPix app AI avatar generator. So just tap to get, and then you can just double click to install it. Create your AI avatars, tune your selfies into mind-blowing avatars, create your couple avatars, pet avatars, profile pictures, unique avatars, all of these things. You can just open it up. You can just try now and then select avatar type, male, select skin tone, and then select style. And then what you need to do, you need to upload your photos. I don't have that many photos, but yeah, that's basically the idea. And then it will create all these packages of AI avatars for you. However, probably it's just not gonna be for free. And then you just need to upgrade. Your avatars will be created here. So yeah, that's basically the process how you can get started. There are a bunch of apps in this category, but try it out.